Hello everyone, today we're going to be unboxing this Gemini Jets 1/400 scale Southwest Airlines in the Louisiana One livery. So this is the airplane shop exclusive aircraft, which means that you can only buy it from this store. It's a really nice box. It's got the Louisiana One livery and their Gemini Jets. It's got the big artwork in the front. In the rear, just Southwest, airplane shop, Gemini Jets, and that's about it. So this aircraft's registration is 946 Whiskey November. And so we're gonna get to unboxing it. So very simple, just get out of the box, set this one aside, let's move this down. Apologies for the keyboard in the way. So you can see in the box, there's the little airplane in there. Pop open the side corner, one of these sides. Carefully remove this sticker here, plastic part. Put this to this side. Slowly remove that. Put this way. So this is the Southwest Airlines 1/400 model aircraft of Louisiana One. So you can see it's a beautiful model. It's got the pelicans and the state livery, as well as the little baby ones on the engine. Very nice. This is one of the few state liveries that I own. And it's really, I like this one. This one's really nice. So you can see if I can zoom in. And let me get something to point out. So I'm going to use this. So here's the cockpit right here. The L1 door, the windows, the #1 engine, the one overwing exit. But I just noticed that there's actually a double overwing path, so that's interesting. They probably thought it was like a two-way, but it's not really. So that's probably one mistake that they did. The Union Justice Conference, November 946 Whiskey November, the registration, 946 up here, the L2 door, Southwest. And then the other side is basically the same. The R2 door, the overwing exit, the R1 door, the antenna, the Wi-Fi antenna. And in the rear you can see there's also the American flag. The bottom, it's a lot of detail. Gemini Jets, the hole where you can place the two on the stand. This is a great model. So if you like pair that against the like, let's say a 7.4, obviously this is like not a good comparison, but just for comparison's sake, this is 1/400. So this is a 1/400 scale representation of a 737 next to a 747 by comparison. Very nice model. This is also the Las Vegas Sands from NG models, so it highly recommend it. You can actually buy one of these on the MHT Aviation website. So if you just hop on MHTAviation.com, you can actually purchase one of these. I have 9 available, and it's limited. So this is not advertising in any way, but you can purchase one of these models on my website. So they're $37.46, and it has everything you need. Pictures, and that is my website. But I hope you like this plane. I really enjoy it. It's a really nice model, and I hope you like this review, and really recommend this model. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more videos like this.